And hey guys, what's going on? This is my first ever iPad video. We're gonna see how it goes. So yesterday during the live stream I was talking about how this can be a reversal pattern. Someone in my Discord pointed out that this was or thought that this was a bear pennant, which obviously they could be correct. And we'll just have to wait and see, but let's see. Let's go ahead and draw from the top here. Of course, this is how you would, measure this out. And this would bring you down to about 15K on this move here. I don't see anything to the left that we could come down to. Zoom out. Let's go to the 3-day. Where are we at here? So there's nothing really over here. There was this one big wick right here, but that's about it. So where is Bitcoin gonna go? That's the $1 million question. Right now it's going down, for real. Going down for real. Now, I did say in my live yesterday that we could see a move up and a move down. Now, I did not think that we would break this level here, but we did. And now we're working out this level here. If I turn on the trader's reality, we might be able to see a... Oh, there's no vector candle in here on the 1 hour. Let's see if we scroll. Let's go ahead and mark off where the current price is, or where the lowest point is, rather. And let's take a look here on the lower time frames. Let's go to the 15, see if there's anything there. We did have a tiny little vector candle here that got recovered. And let's look to the left. All right, so we do have this vector candle right here that needs... It could be recovered, I should say. Let's go ahead and pull this down, and that sits at about 16,491 per the KuCoin Bitcoin chart. So that would bring us down. Let's go ahead from current price down to there, about 1%. Yep. So that'll bring us down another 1%, and then we could see a continuation to the upside. Possible. As long as we come down, we get that wick right there, or not that wick, but that vector candle right there, grab that liquidity, and then move on out of here. So that's a possibility, of course. Now on this one, we did have a ton of red delta in here, lots of sell orders. We did have some sell orders really moving in all throughout here, which in order for you to buy, you have to sell. Someone has to sell. And we start getting some green delta picking up in here, and then it starts to fade, and then the red delta starts to come back in, and then we fall through the 250 EMAs on the 15-minute chart. Right now, nope. We did have a blue vector candle here. That's typically a stopping volume candle. We're getting another. We got a purple one. This typically means they don't want price to go too much lower. They're just dropping price down to get in, to get better long entries. So we might see this precipitously kind of fall down a little bit, maybe get a wick down here, and then start coming back up. So we'll just have to wait and see. Now that pattern, that bear pennant, I'm not so sure about that. I'm not a big fan of patterns in general, especially ones that I don't like flags and pennants. I'll just say that. They play out like 50% of the time, so why bother? Like what you need to know and understand is volume, highs, higher lows, higher highs, market structure, all that good stuff. So right now we are sitting a little bit, we're sitting below this line here. So what I would be looking for is price to come down and then maybe come back up to this line here. Let's maybe bring it down so we can get those wicks down there. Maybe do a back test and then a continuation down. Maybe do an ABC correction. So that would look something like this. Let me go ahead and grab the ABC tool, Elliott wave correction. So we could see top to here, maybe to here, come back up, and then come down. Maybe that's something that we see. It's possible. But I'd be watching this level right here for possible long. And then if we don't get down there, if we come up here first, and then we start seeing that some red delta come in here while we have green candles coming up right up to what would be resistance. What was once support is now resistance. So that's where I would think about probably or possibly entering a short position if that is what you're interested in. 16,727 being that number, which can vary, because I know KuCoin's Bitcoin chart is like $20 off from some other ones, so who knows. But yeah, so just doing a little recording on my lunch break, and just wanted to test out the iPad. So definitely prefer doing videos on this thing than I do on my phone. That is for sure. So yeah, we'll just continue watching this thing, see how this thing develops. We're still creating higher lows in here, so that's a positive. If I zoom out, it's probably even looking better, because we still have higher lows coming in even on the higher time frames. So we still have this gap, fair value gap up here that we can take advantage of. But yeah, so maybe we'll get our Santa rally this week for Bitcoin. I'm not sure. What I do know is that XRP has been having a mind of its own. It's been doing its own thing. Let's go over to the broader market. Let's see what's going on over at Coinbase. Let's sort by change percentage and see what's going on. Let's see. Quant's been having a good day. Past couple days, really. Quant and XRP, imagine that. Yeah, so Cryptex Finance, never heard of that before. We'll have to look into that. AIOZ, I've heard of that one. Fox, I've heard of that one. Aave, Filecoin's having a good day. Let's take a look at Filecoin. I like Filecoin, so maybe. Ooh, thought it was having a good day. Thought it was having a good day. It was. It was having a good day. Let's see that vector candle. This was big push up by institutions, market makers. Come back down, recover at least 50% of the candle. It did. Which leaves more candle to be recovered in the future, if not later today. But yeah. All right, guys, I got so I just wanted to do a little tester, see how this thing goes, see how everything sounds. I don't know where the microphone is on this thing. I assume it's on the bottom. Yeah, I don't really see it, so I guess it's on the bottom. So yeah, I don't know. We'll just have to see if this turns out to be good. Maybe I was thinking about getting like a lapel mic or something small, a portable mic that I could travel with me, just to make sound or voice quality a little better than, you know, a standard iPad recording quality. So, yeah. All right, guys, that's it. That's going to be it for me. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Not financial advice, all that stuff. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.